What is uninsured motorist coverage in Ohio? Have you ever thought about what happens if you get into an accident with someone who does not have insurance? This is where uninsured motorist coverage comes into play. In Ohio, this type of coverage is designed to protect you if you are involved in an accident caused by a driver who either lacks insurance or has insufficient insurance to cover your damages. Uninsured motorist coverage can help pay for your medical bills and, in some cases, property damage resulting from an accident with an uninsured or underinsured driver. While it is not required by law in Ohio, insurance companies must offer it to their policyholders. If you decide you do not want this coverage, you need to reject it in writing. Many drivers opt for uninsured motorist coverage because it offers financial protection against the risks posed by drivers without adequate insurance. If you choose to purchase this coverage, the minimum limits typically match Ohio's minimum liability insurance requirements. This means you could have coverage of $25,000 for each person injured in an accident, up to $50,000 total for all persons injured in that accident, and potentially $25,000 for property damage. If you buy uninsured motorist coverage, it generally provides at least $25,000 per injured person and $50,000 per accident for bodily injury caused by an uninsured or underinsured driver. Some policies may also include coverage for property damage, depending on the specific terms of your policy. Even though Ohio does not mandate uninsured motorist coverage, it is highly recommended. This is especially true considering that Ohio's minimum liability limits are relatively low. Serious accidents can easily exceed these amounts, leading to significant out-of-pocket expenses for medical bills, lost wages, and other damages if the at-fault driver does not have enough insurance. In summary, uninsured motorist coverage in Ohio is optional but must be offered by insurers. It protects you against uninsured or underinsured drivers and covers bodily injury and possibly property damage. The coverage usually matches the minimum liability limits of $25,000 for each person, $50,000 total for all persons, and $25,000 for property damage. Adding this coverage to your auto insurance policy can provide important financial protection in accidents involving uninsured or underinsured motorists.